Hey guys, and welcome back to another exciting review on Crypto Universe. In today's video, we will go through the hottest new Web3 social platform that will definitely skyrocket within the crypto community. We'll explore how KeySea is already the talk of the town, creating waves of excitement in the Web3 community. So if you will, be sure to watch until the end in order to find out how this innovative project is breaking the mold by forking from friend.tech, only to re-emerge on the cutting-edge Linea blockchain. So hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's dive headfirst into the world of KeySea, the future of social networking. KeySea isn't your typical crypto project because it's not launching yet another token or currency. It's poised to make a splash as a fork of the already popular friend.tech, but with a twist because it's built on the cutting-edge Linea chain, or the Linea.build. This exciting development, as I said, is set to redefine what we know as the Web3 social platform. To put it simple, just imagine a platform that combines the power of social profiles and blockchain technology, promising to revolutionize the way we interact online. As you can see from the title, KeySea is on the verge of launching and the excitement is off the charts. We're just a few days away from the big release, which is on the October 2nd, and as I read somewhere, this project is going to be a huge deal. Also, as a way to celebrate the launch, KeySea has something special in store. Within the next few days, a massive $500 giveaway will be announced on their official Twitter account. And this giveaway is your chance to get in on the action, so be sure to follow KeySea on Twitter using the links below, and be sure to read all about their exciting updates and giveaways. It's important to highlight that what sets this project apart is the unique ability to trade and earn social keys. On KeySea, you'll have the opportunity to trade various digital assets that are associated with social profiles. I'm assuming that this could include things like profile badges, digital collectibles, or even social reputation scores. Just like you can trade crypto on an exchange, KeySea will allow you to trade these valuable social assets with other users and potentially unlocking new opportunities and experiences. This might involve engaging with content, building a strong online presence, or contributing to the KeySea community. As you accumulate social keys, you not only enhance your profile, but also as well gain access to some exclusive features and benefits that you can find within the platform. And just to say it again, get ready for October 2nd, follow them on Twitter, and stay tuned for that $500 giveaway. And as always guys, I will keep you updated as the project evolves, but be sure to stay engaged with our social media channels. If you found this content intriguing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.